Updating your legal name on Atwell Hosting is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is accurately changed. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Atwell Hosting website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now is honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Locate name change option. In account settings, look for an option related to personal information or account details. There should be a specific option for updating your legal name. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that the name is spelled correctly and matches your legal documents to avoid any issues. Step 5. Submit your changes. After entering your new name, review the information for accuracy and submit the changes. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the update. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in Atwell Hosting's records. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to the customer support for assistance.